How to invest house in the Philippines. Hi, you are watching Leslie Tarian channel. Welcome back. In this video about the single detached houses and exclusive subdivisions. Things to consider. Budget on the house, location is important, the size of the house, the size of the lot. The price of the house depends on the size, if it's small or huge. Much higher the price if you need near amenities clubhouse, corner unit house. Reservation fee is less or minus to the total contract price of the unit. Down payment. It depends on the realty developer, usually 20% of the total contract price of the unit. Requirements. Reservation fee, 2 valid ID, fill a form for reservation agreement. Documents to follow after reservation fee. Documents to follow, post-dated checks, proof of income, payslip, job contracts, and ITR, TIN ID, 4 pieces of 2x2 picture. Requirements. Birth certificate if single, marriage certificate if married, SPA if client abroad. Additional requirement if self-employed, business permit, ITR, DTI permit, 2 valid ID, passport or driver's license. Additional requirement, proof of billing, electric bills or water bill. The down payment of 20%, it depends on the realty developers. Each company have their own payment scheme. Some realty, 20% is 12 months to pay, or 6 months. Others is 24 months. Depends if the property is still pre-selling or RFO, ready for occupancy. Upon reservation fee, buyers will fill up the form of reservation agreement and contract to sell. Follow all the requirements to notarize the documents. Company will return the notarized CTS to the buyers after 2 to 3 months. Additional expenses of the buyer, monthly home association dues for security guards and maintenance of the subdivision, and yearly realty property tax. The 80% balance from total contract price is loanable in the bank or in-house financing if the buyer cannot provide the bank requirements. Bank requirements for loan, contract to sell, and reservation agreement, copy of deed of sale provided by the developer, job contract, latest payslip, business permit, ITR, proof of income. Usually, the realty developer are affiliated in several banks to refer their buyers. Deed of sale will be released by the developer if the 80% balance is fully paid. Turnover of the house. Upon fully paid of 20% down payment and issuing of the post-dated checks for the 80% balance, or upon release of loan guaranteed certificate. Cash payment. Usually, company give discount for cash payment. Requirements for cash payment. Usually, passport ID and birth certificate only. Regulation for foreign buyers. If the buyer is a Filipino with non-Filipino spouse who wants to buy a house and lot, the non-Filipino spouse must provide an affidavit of disclaiming ownership over the property. The property must be titled under the name of the Filipino buyers only. The price of the property in the Philippines depends on the realty developers. If high-ends with mini golf course, complete amenities, swimming pool with kids pool, sauna and gym, basketball court, tennis court, function room, 24/7 security guards, even if located in the province, still the price ranges 5 million and up. Buyers are paying for the exclusivity of the subdivisions. Tips buyers should know. Ask if the area are not flooding. Google search if the subdivision locations are not including in earthquake faults. Tips number 2. If reselling, ask for the other company. Project that is finished. Ask for license to sell. Search for social media regarding the company. Check the comments from their former buyers. House construction warranty. Upon turnover of the house, usually 6 months to 1 year. Reservation fee is not refundable. If buyer change their mind after 1 week or a month, this is considered a penalty for the unit should be sold to the other buyers. Next video is about Pag-ibig Housing. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.